Welcome. This tutorial covers how to use Google Maps in your Tesla Model 3 for enhanced navigation, traffic updates, and route planning. As of December 2025, Tesla's Android-based infotainment system allows for seamless integration. We'll explore setup, features, and tips to get the most out of Google Maps in your Tesla. First, ensure your Tesla is updated to version 2025.2 or later. This is essential for Android Auto compatibility. Next, pair your Android phone with your Tesla via Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth settings on both devices and connect them. Now, enable Android Auto in your Tesla's settings. Go to Vehicle menu, then Software, and select Android Auto to activate it. Install Google Maps on your Android phone from the Google Play Store and sign in with your Google account. Finally, for native access to Google Maps, link your Google account in the car's Android Auto menu. This completes the setup for seamless integration. The basics of navigating with Google Maps in your Tesla Model 3 start with inputting destinations. You can use voice commands by saying, "Hey Google, navigate to," followed by your destination. This hands-free method helps maintain safety while driving. Alternatively, you can tap the touchscreen to select destinations or type them directly in the Google Maps search bar. This gives you precise control over your route planning. Google Maps provides multiple route options, automatically considering current traffic conditions, toll roads, and even electric vehicle preferences to optimize your journey. While Google Maps can show EV charging stations, its integration with Tesla superchargers is more limited than Tesla's built-in navigation system, which is specifically designed for electric vehicles. Safety is paramount when using navigation in your Tesla. Always prioritize voice commands over manual input to keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. For longer journeys, Google Maps allows you to add multiple destinations, creating efficient routes that visit several stops in optimal order. Google Maps in your Tesla Model 3 offers powerful real-time traffic updates similar to Waze, with color-coded maps showing congestion levels. Green indicates smooth traffic, yellow for moderate congestion, and red for heavy traffic. This helps you avoid delays and plan better routes. You'll get notifications for accidents, roadwork, or other incidents that could affect your drive. Save maps offline for navigation in areas with poor cell service, like rural routes. Google Maps can automatically route you to appointments from your Google Calendar. Android Auto's heads-up display overlays lane guidance and speed limits directly on your windshield for safer driving. Consider using Google Maps for city driving, where real-time traffic is crucial. This app excels in urban environments with its crowdsourced traffic data and instant rerouting around congestion. For long trips, especially those requiring supercharger stops, Tesla's native navigation might be more efficient due to its optimized EV route planning. It integrates vehicle data for better battery management and charging predictions. Combining both provides the best experience. Use Google Maps for complex city navigation and switch to Tesla's system for highway and charging routes. When using Google Maps through screen mirroring, you might experience lag due to Wi-Fi connectivity or app performance. To fix this, restart the Tesla Theater app by accessing the app drawer on your Tesla's touchscreen. To protect your privacy and comply with Tesla's data policies, disable location sharing in Google Maps. On your phone, open the app, tap the menu, go to Settings, then Location, and turn it off. This prevents unnecessary data collection while still allowing navigation. For connection problems with Android Auto, first ensure Bluetooth is stable between your phone and Tesla. Check that Android Auto is enabled in both your phone's settings and the Tesla's app menu under Settings, Apps, Android Auto. Restart both devices if needed. Looking ahead to future trends in navigation technology for your Tesla Model 3. Expect further AI enhancements in Google Maps for features like parking availability prediction, helping you find spots more easily in busy areas. However, be mindful of data sharing between Google and Tesla, as both companies collect location and usage information. If privacy is a concern, consider privacy-focused alternatives like organic maps that don't track your movements. By 2026-2027, expect even tighter integration between Autopilot and Google Maps for seamless autonomous navigation. By leveraging Google Maps in your Tesla Model 3, You gain access to powerful real-time navigation and traffic tools that complement Tesla's built-in system. Experiment with the features like voice navigation and traffic rerouting to discover what works best for your driving needs. Combine it with Tesla's native system for optimal results, such as using Google Maps for urban routes and Tesla navigation for long highway trips with supercharger planning. Stay aware of future updates for even better integration as Tesla continues to enhance its software with Android Auto compatibility. Thanks for watching.